In this video, I'll show you how you can play Rainbow Six Mobile using an Xbox controller. So first things first, you have to put the Xbox controller into pairing mode. So for this particular one, I just have to press and hold this button until the Xbox logo starts blinking rapidly. So just press and hold. And then once the controller is in pairing mode, all you have to do is access the Bluetooth settings in your device. So access the Bluetooth settings. And then once on Bluetooth, it will scan for any available devices, and you can see my Xbox controller has been detected. So all you have to do is tap on it to allow the pairing process to begin, and then you should see this prompt, pair with that particular Xbox controller. Simply tap on pair, then give it a few seconds, and there you go, your controller has been connected. Now you can go back to the game, and then you should see this prompt, playing with a controller. You have connected to a controller. You can use it to the match and adjust the controls into the settings to fit your preferences. So you can simply tap on continue, and now you can launch a match. And now you can simply play using your controller. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.